Zambia. In June 2012, a group of 34 cyclists had the opportunity to experience Zambia's rich culture and natural beauty firsthand. Cycling 300 miles in 5 days, the Bike Zambia riders made their way from Lusaka, Zambia's capital city, to Victoria Falls in Livingston. The mission of the ride was to raise money and awareness for Zambian organizations working to alleviate poverty and reverse the spread of HIV/AIDS in their country. In Zambia, more than 1 in 7 adults are living with HIV/AIDS, and 1 in 6 children are orphaned. Crippling poverty and lack of education help fuel the disease. As a result, Zambia's life expectancy at birth is age 39. The need for help is clear. In the months leading up to the trip, Bike Zambia riders and supporters raised over $150,000 for 4 carefully selected Zambian beneficiary organizations. Riders were given the incredible opportunity to see for themselves all the transformative work they were supporting. World Bicycle Relief designs and manufactures top-quality, rugged bicycles and donates them to school children, healthcare providers, and small-scale entrepreneurs, in addition to operating many other bicycle empowerment-related programs.
For us, this is not a bicycle, you know. This is a machine that brings about social change for somebody. This is something that brings about social improvement.
Bike Zambia was proud to support this ongoing, life-changing work by donating 75 bikes to school children, 88 to HIV/AIDS caregivers, and 31 for a bicycle microloan fund. And as part of the visit, the riders had the opportunity to assemble some of the bicycles themselves. Bike Zambia riders also had the privilege of riding to Shimukuni Basic School to personally give the bikes away to the school children at a special ceremony. Another Bike Zambia beneficiary used the power of a different sport to champion the cause of an AIDS-free Zambia. Children and young adults all across Zambia love playing soccer. Grassroots Soccer shares this love for the game and uses it as an effective communication tool to educate youth about HIV/AIDS prevention. One way they do this is by hosting soccer tournaments. At these events, healthcare partners set up tents and provide participants and observers with free, easy access to voluntary HIV counseling, testing, and family planning services.
So these are events that we go into communities, look for a particular field, involve the local teams in that community.
Popular entertainers and local soccer heroes are also invited to put on educational shows and talk about HIV prevention. It was a joy for Bike Zambia riders to sponsor one of these tournaments and join in the festivities, to actually meet the people benefiting from their months and months of fundraising and hard work.
It was quite awesome that the community really accepted it and they came in numbers, and grassroots soccer really benefited.
These tournaments provide a much-needed service to communities, but there is still a huge demand for more support.
So 1/3 of the people who need treatment are on treatment in Zambia, which is just unacceptable. I mean, they don't know, can't reach it. That's the gap we're trying to close.
To accomplish this goal, Grassroots Soccer also runs an after-school education program for teenagers called Skills. Coaches lead groups of students through discussions about HIV, as well as soccer drills and games with a health-related theme. The ultimate goal of the Skills program is to empower Zambian youth, to give them the knowledge and the self-confidence necessary to avoid risky sexual behavior and make healthy choices in their lives. Grassroots Soccer graduates over 10,000 students a year through its Skills program and also tests over 10,000 people. They are making a significant impact in reducing the spread of HIV/AIDS in Zambia, and that is the power of soccer.
Very good. We are so proud to be able to sponsor this today. We're very pleased to spend the day with you. We hope you had fun.
Bike Zambia's decision to ride 300 miles to Livingston was motivated in part as a way to visibly promote the benefits of bicycle transportation in Zambia, and they did gain a bit of attention.
Good morning!
The greatest benefit of traveling by bike was the unique opportunity it gave riders to experience Zambia at a slower pace, to go far off the main roads, and to easily stop and meet new friends. Cycling just seems to bring out the best in people. And it doesn't hurt that inhibitions fly out the window when wearing spandex. Following months and months of fundraising, planning, and training, after over 300 miles of cycling, Bike Zambia riders reached their end goal, Livingston. Their amazing experiences visiting with beneficiaries and interacting with local communities along the route culminated with a breathtaking ending. It's not every day you get to visit one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. While listening to the thunder of the falls, the riders had a chance to reflect on their journey and what they had learned and accomplished, both personally and collectively. Completing a grueling physical, mental, and emotional challenge. Building strong friendships and community among the team members. Experiencing a new culture. Meeting so many friendly and welcoming Zambians every step of the journey, and being inspired by their positive spirit and resilience. Building personal relationships with the staff of the beneficiaries, and meeting many of the children and adults directly benefiting from Bike Zambia's hard work. It was a powerful and humbling gift for the riders to see firsthand all their months of preparation and fundraising making a real concrete difference in people's lives. Even with all the success of these beneficiaries, it's important to remember there is still a huge need for help in Zambia. Bike Zambia is dedicated to building partnerships based on mutual respect and a shared vision to address the fundamental causes of poverty and HIV/AIDS in Zambia. With your support, Bike Zambia riders can continue to dedicate their time, energy, and passion for cycling toward making a lasting, positive difference in the lives of Zambians.